she's a dirty girl right now. She's also got these crusty, grimy, scanchy, scanless windowsills. About to handle that right now. Already handled this. About to handle that. Oh, God. Anyway, I kind of messed that up when I took it off, but that's handled exterior wise. But yeah, these things got to go once and for all. All right, this ought to do the trick. Got it taped off pretty good. Gonna keep it at close range, thick coats, real quick. This stuff covers really well. Shouldn't be. This is how it's going down. This stuff is kind of like a plasti dip, but it's not, because it doesn't peel right off. But it does create a thick kind of coat, a rubbery, flexible coat. So we're gonna put this on. It's held up really well on the front, around the windshield. So get this on there. It should keep the shine, because it's kept the shine really well on the windshield sides. So we'll see. Here's the finished product. Didn't lay on too perfectly, but it's black and it's shiny. Not bad at all, really. It's way better than it did before.